You are not one person. You think you are one person, but the truth is, you are not one, you are two. One part of you wants to grow. It wants to study, work hard, stay disciplined, and succeed. The other part says, not now. You want to stop wasting time on social media. The other voice says, just today. Tomorrow will stop. You pick up your phone just to check the time. The other voice says, let's check Instagram for 2 minutes. 2 minutes become 1 hour. You say, this is wrong. The other voice says, relax. Science says this reduces stress. This fight happens inside you every single day.
Daily examples of the inner war. You say it's time to sleep. The other voice says, just 15 more minutes. You want to wake up early. The other voice turns off the alarm without thinking. You decide to eat healthy. The other voice says, just this once, it won't matter. You plan to exercise or meditate. The other voice laughs and says, one day won't change anything. You dream of becoming rich. You want to give your family a better life. The other voice says, it's too hard. Life is not meant for this. Open Netflix. These are not small thoughts. These thoughts decide your future. This happens thousands of times. This inner fight doesn't happen once or twice. It happens 1,500 to 3,000 times every week, 6,000 to 15,000 times every month, over 100,000 times every year. And who wins these fights decides. Your habits, your confidence, your career, your happiness, your income. Your life today is the result of which voice you listen to most. The goal of this video has one purpose. In 21 days, to merge these two people inside you into one. When they become one, you can build any habit. You can destroy any bad habit. You can achieve any goal. But this video is not for everyone. Continue only if you are ready to. Observe your life like a third person. Question your thoughts. Do uncomfortable but powerful actions for 21 days. If not, you can leave now. But if you stay, give me 10-12 minutes of full focus. Because this is not motivation. This is mental programming. The third person is you. Inside you. One voice is good. One voice is destructive. But neither can act without permission. The third person, the decision maker, is you. The problem is, everything happens so fast that you don't notice. Only after, wasting time, snoozing alarms, giving in to temptation, you realize what happened. This is why 95% of people are trapped in bad habits. The devil uses logic to trick you. The bad voice is very smart. It never says, don't study for life. It says, study after breakfast. Study when the mood is right. From Monday, from next month, from New Year. And you agree? This pattern exists everywhere. Food, porn, laziness, phone addiction, procrastination. Your enemy is not your phone. Your enemy is the voice using fake logic inside you. Rule number 1, opposite command rule. From today, whatever the negative voice says, do the opposite. It says, sleep later, sleep earlier, not in the mood, start immediately. Tomorrow, do it now. This is called the law of opposite command. First 7 days, it will scream. After 21 days, it becomes background noise. Real-life examples. David Goggins trains harder on bad days. Normal people say, today is not a good day. Strong people say, today matters the most. Another example. An addict defeated addiction by keeping temptation in front of him and challenging his ego. Power comes from confrontation, not avoidance. Rule number 2, awareness. Pause this video. Ask yourself, what is my next thought? Your mind goes silent. Why? Because your life has been running on autopilot. Awareness brings control. Daily awareness practice. Twice a day. Sit quietly for 5-10 minutes. Focus on breath, body, or calm music. Mind runs away. Bring it back. This is training consciousness. Zero thought state. With practice, thoughts slow down. You reach a state of clarity. From here, focus increases. Habits change easily. Self-control becomes natural. This is the foundation of success. Rule number 3. Reprogram subconscious. The bad voice is not evil. It is your subconscious mind. It understands emotions, feelings, images, not logic. Whatever you repeatedly feel and imagine, it accepts as truth. 5-minute night experiment. Before sleep, close eyes. Visualize waking up early, putting on shoes, going for a walk or run. Feel it as real. Repeat for 5 minutes. Your body will follow. Affirmations and identity shift. Say while walking, I am confident. I am disciplined. I am focused. Your posture, walk, and actions change automatically. You don't force habits. You become the person who does them. Final message. Comment, I accept the 21-day challenge. Write 3 habits you will work on. Save this video. Come back when your mind tries to fool you. Your success begins with one decision. Thank you for watching. Your best life is waiting.